Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to delete your LinkedIn account permanently. So let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture or the me icon in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, tap Settings. In the Settings section, tap Account Preferences. Now scroll down until you find Close and Delete Account, then tap on it. LinkedIn will ask if you're sure you want to delete your account. Tap Continue. Next, choose a reason for closing your account and tap Next. After that, enter your LinkedIn account password to confirm. Finally, tap Close Account. And that's it. Your LinkedIn account will be deleted. Keep in mind that once your account is closed, your profile will no longer be visible, and you may not be able to recover your data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.